Hi everyone, welcome to our group presentation. And our group name is Link and Recommendation, and more detail will be given in the follow. Here is the group member. And our group pick out the build.cont check. So first, let me briefly describe about why we choose this name. Because in modern life, the graph is using everywhere, but we cannot get all the pages information about each graph. So that's why we build this program. We given the known pages and predict whether an unknown page exists or not exists, just like recommendation systems or others. So here is the data exploring. The data is from the build.com. You can see that there are many nodes and edges, and here is just part of them. And here is the word frequency bubbles. Because each node consists of some different features, and different features is has a number. You can see that as a one-hot model. But you know that the one-hot model is very complex, especially as an input of neural network. That's why we use this thing doc2vector to vectorize this. Doc2vector can take each node's information into a neural network, and the output is in here we use a 200 dimension vectors. So we can make sure all the nodes has the same number of dimension of vector. Here you can see that there is a 2D result of the doc2vector result. And continue, we also have the attribute called the page type. In fact, we have only 4 kinds of page type. That's why we just pick out the one-hot model to do this. After that, we can append this after the doc vectors. Here is the model architecture. Before that, I need to talk about the graph convolution. The image and graph convolution is somehow very similar. You can see the graph, but more details will be shown in the some essays. It's not in our project. Here is the detailed model architecture. Input. After input, we can vectorize the input into an encoder. What encoder goes is things called node embedding, and decoder is to do the node embedding and get the H-score matrix. Here is the training process, and here is validate, test accuracy. You can see that everything goes well here. Is the prediction, as most graph neural network like the false positive was very high, so that's why the accuracy and precision was very low. But in fact, it's all still acceptable. Here is visualization part. Let me do this. And here the related number is the number of recommendations. You can see that after search, you can see that there are 5 recommendations here. One for the page 1, one for page 2, and here is a link between. Thank you for watching.